guys, just want to get on here and wish everybody a happy Easter. Give you kind of an update of what we've been doing. We've been really busy, just with life and kids and doctor's appointments and everything else. But the weather's finally getting nicer, so we're going to start working more on the 40. Definitely going to do the frame swap and all that. But I got a couple of updates here on the Nova and on what we've been working on around here. I finally bought a bead roller so I could finish up the panels in the 64 Nova, and that's coming pretty soon here. I think we might do the 40 first, get the body mounted on the frame, but I'll flip you around here and show you the bead roller, the stand I built, and some of the projects. All right, here's the bead roller. You got the top part that you see here from Summit Racing. I think it was like $189, and it came with all those dies right there. Didn't come with a stand, so I made one out of a heavy piece of angle at the base, and then just some scrap tubing that I had laying around. I'll probably put some casters on it, just a little roll. I don't have any right now, so I'll have to pick some up at the store, but yeah, I've test ran it, and even doing it by hand, it's really easy to do. But as you can see, here's just a little piece of scrap sheet metal, 18 gauge. You can really make some nice stuff with that, I think. So I'll definitely be doing more of that as I get used to the machine. Probably gonna, in the future, put an electric motor on it with a foot pedal, just because it's kind of awkward when you're cranking it way over here and your sheet metal's way over here. It almost takes two people, but the foot pedal I should be able to do with one person. And then I can finish up the panels for the wheel tubs and everything on this 64 Nova. We got so many projects, it's not even funny. Yeah, I want to get the sheet metal all done and maybe roll this to the back of the shop where my 55 is, so that I can get the 40 in here and build all the frame mounts. Yeah, there's some of the sheet metal for the wheel tubs. Getting surface rust, that ain't good. Ugh, long winter. But anyway, the 56 is still sitting there waiting for me to have time to work on it, and money for all the sheet metal. Boy, the prices of that stuff's gone up. So eventually I'll get to that. The 40, we're really thinking about not painting it. Maybe taking out some of the rustier spots like the cab corners, fixing those, and then just doing some kind of patina paint job on it. I hit it with a little bit of boiled linseed oil, and I kind of like the look. I think my son does too. It's got a lot of really neat colors in it. So we may just clean it up a little bit more, maybe wet sand it, and then clear coat it or something, and leave the patina on it. This is the S10. It's the donor truck for the 40. It's a 4-cylinder automatic, so that stuff is coming right out of it. I think he's going to put a 5.3 LS in it. Nothing too crazy, maybe a little cam, but that'll be about it. He's already ordered the wheels and tires for the S10 frame, and I'll show you that when we get them mounted and I get the body on there. He also ordered Caltrax for it and the Caltrax springs. And then the 66 GMC. Well, it's been sitting outside all winter. I just don't have enough indoor parking for this stuff, so I'm trying to talk him into letting me paint it. I'm not too sure how far we'll get with that, because we got plenty of stuff to do this summer, but for those of you guys that haven't seen this truck, let me pop the hood. All right, I got that open, finally. So this is my son's 66 GMC we built. This past year we put a completely rebuilt 5.3 LS, twin turbo. It's pretty healthy. It's got a manual turbo 400 in it. I think it's a 3800 stall. Converter, 370 gears, 9-inch in the back, with the well drag lights and everything. This truck, when we got it, It was a long bed that I shortened down to a short bed. And it's come a long way. It was pretty rough when you got it. It's got all new glass in it. The body's really straight, just in primer, and then primer's probably 4 years old now. It's a fun little truck. I step notched the frame and flipped the rear end on top of the springs. This is a leaf spring truck, so this will probably be getting Caltrax next. That little fan that's covered up over there is the transcooler. But it's got 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering, power brakes, full manual turbo 400. It's caged. It's a fun little truck. Scary fast for what it is. Yeah, need to paint this thing. But anyway, just thought I'd get on here and give you guys an update, show you what we've been working on, or planning on working on really, because it's been one storm after another. Couldn't do much of anything for quite a while. Now the weather's finally getting nice. Be able to get some stuff done. There's Austin right there. Say hi, Austin. He's shy. Yeah, bead roller ought to come in handy. I guess that's enough of me rambling. I just want to get on here and tell everybody happy Easter and thank you all for watching. And there'll be more content out soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later.